Welcome student. This is Chadar BR, Assistant Professor of Soil Science and Agriculture Chemistry Department. I am here to teach you course Biochem 231, having course title Fundamentals of Plant Biochemistry and Biotechnology. In that course, you will learn about two different disciplines. One is plant biochemistry and second is a plant biotechnology. Out of whole syllabus, plant biochemistry contributes 70% and plant biotechnology contribute 30%. Plant biotechnology syllabus which you will learn. Now we start syllabus of plant biochemistry. Our today's topic is Introduction to Plant Biochemistry. In that we will learn content, introduction, history and development, roots of biochemistry, what does the biochemistry discuss, and field or area of use. Then what is meant by biochemistry? Biochemistry, it is a combination of biology and chemistry. Biology means life and chemistry means a chemical composition. Collectively it is called as a chemistry of a living system. So it is a study of the structure, composition and chemical reaction of substances in living system. That is a plant biochemistry. Definition: the chemistry of a life or the science concerned with the chemical basis of life. The science concerned with the various molecules that occurs in living cell and organisms and with their chemical reactions. The meaning: the biochemistry is sometimes called biological chemistry is the study of structural composition and chemical reaction of substances in living system. And proper definition of biochemistry, and which is easy the proper definition of biochemistry, that is biochemistry is the study of chemical nature and chemical behavior of a living matter. Then how much biochemistry do you learn to know for this course? We will learn about, you are expected to learn the structure and function of these organic compounds. Which organic compounds? That are carbohydrate, lipid, protein, nucleic acid, which also called as a biomolecules. And second, we will expected to learn the basic biochemical processes of major cell function such as a respiration, protein synthesis and so on. Now we see the history and development of biochemistry. Firstly, biochemistry term was given by German scientist which is a Karl Neuberg in a 1903. He says biochemistry is a chemistry of lives and some other contribution. In 1828, Holler synthesized the first organic compound, that is urea, from inorganic component, and it is a greater history from the biochemistry. Then in 1854 to 1864, Louis Pasteur proved that fermentation is caused by the microorganism. Kuhn in 1877 proposed the term enzyme. Emil Fischer in 1894 demonstrated the specificity of enzyme and lock and key relationship between enzyme and substrate. Buchner, 1897, discovered alcoholic fermentation in cell-free yeast extract. Then Emil Fischer in 1902 demonstrated that protein are polypeptides. Then Carl Neuberg 1903 first used the term biochemistry. Then Michelis and Menten 1913 developed a kinetic theory of enzyme action. Then Sumner in 1926 first crystallized an enzyme urease and proved it to be a protein. Then Meyerhoff and Parnas 1939 demonstrated crucial intermediates in the chemical pathway of glycolysis and fermentation. Then Krebs 1937 discovered citric acid cycle and he got a Nobel Prize for this contribution. Then Lippmann 1940 role of ATP in biological system. Then next is Pauling and Corey 1950 proposed the alpha helix structure of keratins. Then Chargaff 1950 to 1953 discovered base composition of DNA. Then Sanger and Thomson 1953 determined the complete amino acid sequence of insulin. Then Watson and Crick in 1953 proposed the double helical module for DNA structure and he also got Nobel Prize for this contribution, and it is a great success in the point of biochemistry. 1958 Michelson and Stan confirmed the Watson-Crick model of semi-conservative replication of DNA. Then in 1961 Jacob and Monod proposed the operon hypothesis and postulated the function of messenger RNA. And 1999 Indo Potricus developed golden rice rich in beta carotene. This is all about history and development of biochemistry and great success of different scientists in biochemistry field. Firstly, Huller's thesis of urea, who discovered urea from inorganic compound. Then Buchner's fermentation of sugar from yeast extract. Sumner crystallization of urease. Fleming's discovery of chromosome. Mendel's characterization of genes. Michener's isolation of nucleic acid. Watson and Crick double helical structure of DNA. And the most objective are asked by the history, so read carefully and study the history properly. Then now see next point, what does the biochemistry discuss? Wholly in the biochemistry, firstly we are going to study structure and function of cellular components. Which cellular components? That are protein, carbohydrate, lipid, nucleic acid and other biomolecules such as enzyme, nucleotide, fatty acids, then amino acids such as. Then metabolism and regulation means different reaction occurs in the living organism. Then gene expression and modulation. Okay. Then Use of biochemistry. Here biochemistry is used in the field of agriculture for the development of resistance gene or to make a transgenic plant. Then medical science, nutrition, clinical chemistry, then pharmacology. In this field biochemistry is mostly used. Okay, this is whole about introduction of biochemistry. So thank you student. If you have any queries, send me message.